Hello everyone, welcome back to the Makisode YouTube channel. How are you today? It's drizzling outside, yeah, and it's a beautiful weather. I hope it is the same where you are. If it isn't, if it is hot, stay hydrated, and if it is cold, stay warm. So today we're going to be demystifying crochet, all right? So 3 years back, this famous Pinterest crochet halter mini dress trended, all right? A lot of people made it in, strips, color strips, all right? So today I'm going to be demystifying that, okay? It's a halter dress. We made one of ours whiles back. We made it in a plain color. So for this video, I'm going to be illustrating. I'm going to be talking us through all of the different parts of the dress, and then I'm going to attach videos. I'm going to attach links to videos on how to create a cup, how to create a triangular cup, and I'm also going to be inserting a link to the actual video of ours because we made something similar a few years back as well. But today, I just want to demystify that dress. All right. Apparently, a lot of people like it, and it comes in different colors. So yes, I'm going to be talking us through that. Before I go on, are you new here? Go do subscribe to our YouTube channel. On a weekly basis, we bring you brand new videos, inspiring you on all of the possibilities of crochet, walking you through how we made one of our own bespoke pieces, or demystifying what one celebrity or another word, or demystifying one famous, crochet apparel. Now, if you have one of those and you'd like for us to demystify, do share that information with us. We have our galleries up on Instagram. For our wedding day apparel, you find those at Makisode Weddings. And then for our everyday casual corporate accessories and the rest, you find those at Makisode Models. Do well to follow, do well to like, do well to leave a nice comment, and do well to share our content. All right, so let's go. How was this dress made? So for starters, the cups. They always start at the cups. All right, so you have the cups in triangular method, right? And then this triangular method was created this way. You have this. All of these were made in different colors. All right, so yeah, that's it essentially. And then foundation row here, go around, keep going around, keep going around. Your increases at this point to create this pointy tip. All right, so 2 cups, right? 2 cups, and then 2 cups done, and then you create the body. So the body is going to be coming around like this, and put it that way. Yeah, so let's say in the bra cups lessons, I put in measurements there, so when you watch that, you're going to know how those measurements go. So for this one, this is what it was. You made the cups first, and then chain. These are chains. You chain whatever number of stitches are left to create this measurement that goes around the diaphragm. So I'm going to talk us through. So shoulder, right? There's a shoulder point somewhere here. So from the shoulder to this point here, shoulder to this point is the diaphragm right here. Diaphragm here, shoulder. All right. So this diaphragm width is going to matter because this is the number of chains you're going to be, well, this is what is going to determine whatever number of chains you're going to be adding to what is already existing. So let's say here, this triangle, you made it a width of 5 inches. The triangle here is another 5 inches. And then let's say your diaphragm goes around, let me work with 24. So it means that you have 14 inches left to work. Now you could choose to insert 2 chains right here, or you could choose to just join your triangles. That's up to you. So if you have 14 inches left to work, that means you're going to be chaining whatever number of chains to take for you to get 14 inches, and then keep walking around. If you're working in plain color, fine. But if you're working if you're changing colors, if you're alternating colors, you're going to have to be careful here, because for you determine whatever width you want the colors to take, and keep interchanging the colors. So this dress is going to come out like this, right? It's going to come out like this. It was a mini dress, so all of the different colors, you're going to be, yeah, representing them thus in this horizontal fashion. Okay, you're going to be representing them in this horizontal fashion. So that's it. Here you have the cups right there, and then here you have the measurement of the diaphragm. Now realize that from the diaphragm, beneath it reduces in size because you're heading towards the waist, right? So you're going to have to reduce your stitches. If you're not reducing stitches, either you reduce stitches until you get to the measurement of the waist. Here is the waist, or you change hook sizes. You can reduce stitches or change hook sizes. All right, so change hook sizes. Let's say you were using a size 5.5 right here. You may want to use a size 5 right here, and then use a size 4.5 right here. And then remember that it still has to now increase back to accommodate the hips. So you either, again, increase stitches right here, or change hook sizes again from something small to something larger. So that's about it. So yeah, body of the dress done. What happened here? Now for cups, remember that at this point, let me walk us through this again. At this point here, you usually had that middle stitch there where you created you put in two stitches, two single crochet stitches, right? So let's say you have your 4 single crochet stitches at this point. The 2 middle stitches, you're going to be single crochet in there, single crochet here. So 2 single crochet, you're going to extend that for whatever number of for whatever number of inches it takes to go all the way to the shoulder, all the way to this point. So your single crochet, two single crochet stitches all the way to this shoulder, and back around to the base, to this diaphragm. So you're gonna, this measurement from here to there, here to there, here to there is gonna be the length of the 2 single crochet stitches, right? So if the height of this bralette, yeah, I'm coming back here. If the height of this bralette was, say, about 6 inches in total, if the height of the bralette, let me come show us here. This is the bralette we're working with, right? Let's say if this length was here about 6. See right there. So that's about 6. These 2 top chains right here, two top single crochet stitches right there, that's where you're going to be inserting your yarn. So 2 single crochet stitches, turn around, 2 single crochet stitches, you keep going, it extends all the way. So if this is 6, and then from your diaphragm to your shoulder measures say 12, right? It means that from here to there is going to be another 6. So from the tip of the bralette, right here, the tip of the bralette to the shoulder point, which is here, is going to be 6 inches, and then you're going to continue another 12 inches because you're going to be attaching it here. Now, if you're attaching, but if you aren't attaching, have to create whatever length you want to create, because this is going to be tied to your neck or tied around your neck, so to speak. So yeah, whatever length works for you. So this is how this is going to be, just like that. So this is the rope you tie, lace to tie around your neck. That's about it. Really, really simple. So there, the famous Pinterest crochet halter mini dress, demystified. Now you can choose to work yours all the way down to the ankle. You can choose to work vertical stripes. Now, in order to work vertical stripes, the striping of your bralette would matter. So now here's the bralette, right? You started out with whatever what length it takes from that's half of, or more than half of the bra height. Okay, so this is it. So you're going to be adding, let's say your entire from the diaphragm. See this point right here, if from the diaphragm to the end of your dress measures about if this is 11, say your dress was going to be 34 inches minus 11, so that means that from here to there would have been about 24. So from the diaphragm to the to just above the knee, 24 inches, right? So you're going to have to continue. See, after you have chained this chain, this number of chains here, you're going to have to add about another 24-inch chain, so that when you create these 2 rows and then start going around, all of the U stitches take you all the way down. You're going to work this for the 2 cups. By the time you place them side by side, you have that vertical design. All right, you have the vertical design going all the way down, and then you turn your work this way and keep crocheting. Keep crocheting. I don't know how to show you that right now, but yeah, that's for another day. So you let us know if you want us to walk you through how to make the vertical line halter dress. Thank you so much for watching. Go back, pause, listen, take a listen, because this is a very explicit class. Now, if you love this and you don't have the time, you think the proficiency level is too high for you, you can talk to us and we would make it for you for a token. Oh yes, we will make it for you for a token. So thank you again for watching. Remember to subscribe, and bye for now.